डाक्टरलाई भेट गरेपछि तपाईलाई कस्तो लाग्छ?
How do you feel after visiting the doctor? How do you feel after visiting the doctor?
डाक्टरलाई भेट गरेपछि मलाई राम्रो लाग्यो।
I feel good after visiting the doctor. I feel good after visiting the doctor.
के तपाईँ डाक्टर बन्न चाहनुहुन्छ?
Would you like to be a doctor? Would you like to be a doctor?
हो, डाक्टर बन्ने मेरो सपना हो।
Yes, becoming a doctor is my dream. Yes, becoming a doctor is my dream.
के तपाईसँग प्राथमिक उपचार किट छ?
Do you have the first aid kit? Do you have the first aid kit?
हो, प्राथमिक उपचार किट मेरो घरमा छ।
Yes, the first aid kit is in my home. Yes, the first aid kit is in my home.
तपाईँ व्यायामका लागि कहाँ जानुहुन्छ?
Where do you go for exercise? Where do you go for exercise?
म व्यायाम गर्न जिम जान्छु।
I go to a gym for exercise. I go to a gym for exercise.
तपाईँ कति पटक व्यायाम गर्नुहुन्छ?
How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise?
म हरेक बिहान व्यायाम गर्छु।
I exercise every morning. I exercise every morning.
तपाईँ कति घण्टा सुत्नुहुन्छ?
How many hours do you sleep? How many hours do you sleep?
म 7 घण्टा सुत्दछु।
I sleep for 7 hours. I sleep for 7 hours.
तपाईको शरीरको वजन कति छ?
What is your body weight? What is your body weight?
मेरो शरीरको वजन छ।
My body weight is 70 kgs. My body weight is 70 kgs.
के तपाईले कहिले अस्पतालमा समय बिताउनु भएको छ?
Have you ever spent time in hospital? Have you ever spent time in hospital?
हो, म शल्यक्रिया गर्दा म अस्पतालमा थिएँ।
Yes, I was in hospital when I had surgery. Yes, I was in hospital when I had surgery.
फास्ट फुडको बारेमा तपाईको धारणा के हो?
What is your opinion of fast food? What is your opinion of fast food?
फास्ट फुड स्वास्थ्यको लागि खराब छ।
Fast food is bad for health. Fast food is bad for health.
यी औषधिहरू कति पुरानो हो?
How old are these medicines? How old are these medicines?
यी औषधिहरू 1 महिना पुरानो हो।
These medicines are 1 month old. These medicines are 1 month old.
तपाईँ धूम्रपान गर्नुहुन्छ?
Do you smoke? Do you smoke?
हो, म धूम्रपान गर्छु।
Yes, I do smoke. Yes, I do smoke.
के तपाईले कहिले एकदम नराम्रो दुर्घटना देख्नु भएको छ?
Have you ever seen a very bad accident? Have you ever seen a very bad accident?
हो, गत वर्ष एउटा दुर्घटना मेरो अगाडि भएको थियो।
Yes, last year an accident happened in front of me. Yes, last year an accident happened in front of me.
के तपाईँ कुनै खेल खेल्नुहुन्छ?
Do you play any sport? Do you play any sport?
हो, म ब्याडमिन्टन खेल्छु।
Yes, I play badminton. Yes, I play badminton.
के तपाईँ कहिले कार दुर्घटनामा पर्नु भएको छ?
Have you ever been in a car accident? Have you ever been in a car accident?
हो, गत वर्ष म कार दुर्घटनामा परेको थिएँ।
Yes, last year I was in a car accident. Yes, last year I was in a car accident.
के तपाईँ डाक्टर बन्न चाहनुहुन्छ?
Would you like to be a doctor? Would you like to be a doctor?
हो, म गर्छु, डाक्टर बन्ने मेरो सपना हो।
Yes, I do. Becoming doctor is my dream. Yes, I do. Becoming doctor is my dream.
तपाईँ कहिले जिममा सामेल हुनुभयो?
When did you join gym? When did you join gym?
म पछिल्लो गर्मीमा जिममा सामेल भएँ।
I joined gym last summer. I joined gym last summer.
के तपाईँका आमा बुबा स्वस्थ हुनुहुन्छ?
Are your parents healthy? Are your parents healthy?
हो, मेरा आमा बुबा फिट र ठिक छन्।
Yes, my parents are fit and fine. Yes, my parents are fit and fine.
वजन घटाउन तपाईँ के गर्नुहुन्छ?
What do you do to lose weight? What do you do to lose weight?
म तौल घटाउन व्यायाम गर्छु।
I do exercise to lose weight. I do exercise to lose weight.
डाक्टरले तपाईँलाई के खान भन्यो?
What did the doctor told you to eat? What did the doctor told you to eat?
मेरो डाक्टरले मलाई स्वस्थ खाना खान भन्यो।
My doctor told me to eat healthy food. My doctor told me to eat healthy food.
तपाईँ दिनदिनै कति पानी पिउनुहुन्छ?
How much water do you drink every day? How much water do you drink every day?
म हरेक दिन 4 लिटर पानी पिउँछु।
I drink 4 liters of water every day. I drink 4 liters of water every day.
डाक्टरले तपाईलाई आहार योजनाको बारेमा के भने?
What did the doctor told you about diet plan? What did the doctor told you about diet plan?
मेरो डाक्टरले मलाई आहार योजनामा समावेश गर्न भन्यो।
My doctor told me to include vegetables in diet plan. My doctor told me to include vegetables in diet plan.
तपाईँ बजारबाट के किन्नुभयो?
What did you buy from market? What did you buy from market?
मैले बजारबाट धेरै फलहरू किने।
I bought lots of fruit from market. I bought lots of fruit from market.
तपाईँ कस्तो प्रकारको व्यायाम गर्नुहुन्छ?
What kind of exercise do you do? What kind of exercise do you do?
म धेरै वजन उठाउने व्यायाम गर्छु।
I do lots of weightlifting exercise. I do lots of weightlifting exercise.
के तपाईँ नियमित मेडिकल चेकअपका लागि जानुहुन्छ?
Do you go for regular medical checkups? Do you go for regular medical checkups?
हो, हरेक महिना म चिकित्सा जाँचको लागि जान्छु।
Yes, every month I go for medical checkups. Yes, every month I go for medical checkups.
के तपाईसँग कुनै निशान छन्?
Do you have any scars? Do you have any scars?
हो, मेरो पछाडि दाग छ।
Yes, I have a scar on my back. Yes, I have a scar on my back.
तपाईँ कहिले औषधि लिनुहुन्छ?
When do you take medicine? When do you take medicine?
म बिरामी भएमा औषधि लिन्छु।
I take medicine when I am sick. I take medicine when I am sick.
के तपाईँ भिटामिन ट्याब्लेट लिनुहुन्छ?
Do you take vitamin tablets? Do you take vitamin tablets?
हो, म हरेक बिहान भिटामिन ट्याब्लेट लिन्छु।
Yes, I take vitamin tablets every morning. Yes, I take vitamin tablets every morning.
तपाईँ अधिक वजन छ।
Are you overweight? Are you overweight?
हैन, म अधिक वजनको छैन।
No, I am not overweight. No, I am not overweight.
के तपाईले कहिले रक्तदान गर्नुभयो?
Have you ever donated blood? Have you ever donated blood?
हो, मैले मेरो स्कुलको दिनमा रगत दान गरे।
Yes, I donated blood in my school days. Yes, I donated blood in my school days.
तपाईले बिरामी भएको अन्तिम पटक कहिले थियो?
When was the last time you were sick? When was the last time you were sick?
पछिल्लो चोटि म कलेजमा हुँदा बिरामी परे।
Last time I fell sick when I was in college. Last time I fell sick when I was in college.
कति पटक तपाईको बाथरुम सफा गर्नुहुन्छ?
How often do you clean your bathroom? How often do you clean your bathroom?
म हरेक दिन मेरो बाथरुम सफा गर्छु।
I clean my bathroom every day. I clean my bathroom every day.
तपाई कति पटक दाँत माझ्नुहुन्छ?
How often do you brush your teeth? How often do you brush your teeth?
म सुत्नु अघि हरेक रात दाँत सफा गर्छु।
I clean my teeth every night before going to bed. I clean my teeth every night before going to bed.
तपाई कहिलेदेखि बिरामी हुनुहुन्छ?
How long have you been ill? How long have you been ill?
म 2 हप्ता लामो बिरामी थिए।
I was ill for 2 long weeks. I was ill for 2 long weeks.
के तपाई आफूलाई स्वस्थ व्यक्ति ठान्नुहुन्छ?
Do you consider yourself a healthy person? Do you consider yourself a healthy person?
हो, म आफूलाई स्वस्थ व्यक्ति ठान्छु।
Yes, I consider myself a healthy person. Yes, I consider myself a healthy person.
के तपाई सधैँ स्वस्थ खाना खानुहुन्छ?
Do you always eat healthy food? Do you always eat healthy food?
हो, म सधैँ स्वस्थ खाना खाने कोसिस गर्दछु।
Yes, I try to eat healthy food always. Yes, I try to eat healthy food always.
के तपाई फास्ट फुड खानुहुन्छ?
Do you eat fast food? Do you eat fast food?
हो, मलाई फास्ट फुड खान मन पर्छ।
Yes, I like to eat fast food. Yes, I like to eat fast food.
के तपाई रक्सी पियाउनुहुन्छ?
Do you drink alcohol? Do you drink alcohol?
हो, म कहिलेकाहीँ रक्सी पिउँछु।
Yes, I drink alcohol occasionally. Yes, I drink alcohol occasionally.
तपाई प्राय कुन समय उठ्नुहुन्छ?
What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up?
म प्राय बिहान 6 बजे उठ्छु।
I wake up usually at 6 in the morning. I wake up usually at 6 in the morning.
तपाई लामो घण्टा काम गर्नुहुन्छ?
Do you work long hours? Do you work long hours?
हो, म अफिसमा धेरै समय काम गर्छु।
Yes, I work long hours at office. Yes, I work long hours at office.
तपाईको भावनात्मक समस्याहरूको लागि तपाई कससँग सल्लाह गर्नुहुन्छ?
Whom do you consult for your emotional problems? Whom do you consult for your emotional problems?
म मेरो भावनात्मक समस्याहरूको लागि मेरो परिवारका डाक्टरसँग परामर्श गर्दछु।
I consult my family doctor for my emotional problems. I consult my family doctor for my emotional problems.
दुर्घटना कहिले भयो?
When did the accident happen? When did the accident happen?
यो दुर्घटना गत रात भएको थियो।
The accident happened last night. The accident happened last night.
अस्पतालमा कति जना डाक्टर र कर्मचारी छन्?
How many doctors and staffs are there in the hospital? How many doctors and staffs are there in the hospital?
अस्पतालमा 10 डाक्टर र 20 कर्मचारी सबै छन्।
The hospital has 10 doctors and 20 staffs altogether. The hospital has 10 doctors and 20 staffs altogether.
तपाईको घरबाट अस्पतालसम्म कति समय लाग्छ?
How long does it take from your home to hospital? How long does it take from your home to hospital?
यो मेरो घरदेखि अस्पतालको लागि 1 घण्टा लाग्छ।
It takes about 1 hour from my home to hospital. It takes about 1 hour from my home to hospital.
एम्बुलेन्स आइपुग्न कति समय लाग्यो?
How much time did the ambulance took to arrive? How much time did the ambulance took to arrive?
एम्बुलेन्स आइपुग्न 2 घण्टा लाग्यो।
The ambulance took about 2 hours to arrive. The ambulance took about 2 hours to arrive.
तिम्रो बुबा कस्तो छ?
How is your father now? How is your father now?
मेरो बुबा अहिले गम्भीर अवस्थामा छन्।
My father is in critical condition now. My father is in critical condition now.
तिम्रो बुबा कसरी मरे?
How did your father die? How did your father die?
मेरो बुबा हृदयाघातको कारण मर्नुभयो।
My father died because of heart attack. My father died because of heart attack.
कतिन्जेल तपाईँ क्यान्सरबाट पीडित हुनुहुन्छ?
How long you have been suffering from cancer? How long you have been suffering from cancer?
म मेरो कलेजको दिनदेखि नै क्यान्सरबाट पीडित छु।
I have been suffering from cancer since my college days. I have been suffering from cancer since my college days.
उपचार प्रक्रिया कति समय लाग्यो?
How long did the treatment procedure took? How long did the treatment procedure took?
उपचार प्रक्रियामा 3 वर्ष लाग्यो।
The treatment procedure took 3 years. The treatment procedure took 3 years.